Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn about sketch editing tools. In Catia, sketch editing tools are essential for creating and modifying sketches, which are the foundational elements for many 3D models. Here are some of the key sketch editing tools in Catia. We will see sketch editing tools in our software. Okay, here you can see I have already drawn some geometries. We will see the sketch editing tools here. Here you can see these are the sketch editing tools. This one is a fillet. We can see this is how we can apply the fillet. Next one is chamfer. Okay, like this we can apply chamfer. Next command is trim or extend. See, this is how extend and this is how it trims. Okay, next one is break. We will break this line in two parts. See, this will get break. Next one is power trim. This is get trimmed. Next is complete the circular geometry. And last one is complement. This is how it looks. Another command is mirror. About this axis, this will get mirrored. Next one is symmetry. Okay. Translate. About this front we can translate the geometry like this. Okay, next one is rotate. Click the point and give the value at which you want to rotate your geometry. Okay, like this it will get rotated. Another is scale. Click the point, see. Scale can be applied like this. Next one is offset. We will offset this line. See. This distance we can change by double clicking on it. Okay. This command is project 3D element. This is used to a 3D element to convert the entities of 3D element. Okay. Here you can see the constraint command. By using constraint, you can give the dimension to your geometry. Here you can see the constraint defined box. Here you can apply different geometrical constraints. See, angle. Okay, parallelism, perpendicular. This is showing the lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Likewise, we can see this one is horizontal. Okay. Likewise, we can apply all the constraints to geometry. Okay. Thank you.